Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset. Then tap on delete all data to proceed, and then tap on it one more time to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.